وكفى وسلام على عباد الذين اصطفى أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. Honorable President of today's Guardian Conference and the Prize Distribution Program, organized by the Darus Salam Islamia Madrasa, and my respected teachers and my classmates. First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty God who has given us the gift of religious education. That is Quran, Hadith along with Bengali, Math, English, etc. My dear brothers, the student life is the best period of our life. This is such a time when boys and girls accept education from different educational institutions. After completing the student life, become independent therefrom all sorts of areas. In this time, a student makes his character and take preparation for his future life. How does he pass his student life? It depends on his future life. If anybody utilizes the rules of student life, he will become happy. On the other hand, anybody neglects it, he will suffer in the long run. My dear friends, if we follow the word stand, we understand the aim of our student life.